Good morning students and welcome you again to another online class from Onresha School. As you know, I am doing the revision of whatever notes I have given you in the copy. Today again I will do the revision of chapter 2, that is the Master Artist. So get ready with your copy. Chapter 2 is the Master Artist. First I will do the revision of word meaning. Number 1, patron, a person who supports artists and writers. Number 2, endeavor, effort, activity. Number 3, a twitch, a brief, sudden movement that showed his anger. Number 4, enraged, furious. Number 5, absurd, ridiculous. Number 6, fused and fixed, thought and worked on it before finalizing. Okay, now you come to the question answer. Question number 1. What was the artist's response to the patron's request for drawing a portrait? The artist looked thoughtful for a moment and then shook his head and said that he was sorry. Full stop. He couldn't take up the assignment because he had decided to retire and was not available for hire. Number 2. Why did the artist change his mind? The artist changed his mind on seeing the disappointment of the patron. Number 3. You need not even pose because my memory is excellent. Do you think there was another reason, other than that he had a good memory? Answer. Yes, because he don't want Mr. Bertolli to interfere till he completes the painting, as he wants to use his own abilities to the fullest. Question number 4. How long did the masterpiece took? Do you know why? In question 4, how long did the masterpiece take? Okay, not took. Do you know why? Come to the answer. The masterpiece took 6 months to complete. It took so long because he used a form of modern art to explore his imagination, to work freely so that he could paint the portrait the way he liked. Question number 5. Giuliano Bertolli stood for a minute. How was Bertolli feeling at this point? How did he express his feelings? Bertolli was very angry to see his portrait. Full stop. His mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. Full stop. He did a little hop, and then a twitch, and his eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. Okay, that means he was not at all happy after seeing his portrait, because that is not the way he wanted his portrait to be done. So when he saw the portrait, he became very angry with the artist. Now reference to the context, that is RTTC. You know what is RTTC? A sentence is given and based on the sentence few questions are there for which you have to write the answer. I'd like a portrait of myself on the wall of my dining hall. This is a sentence. Now who is the speaker and who is the listener? That means who is the speaker speaking to? Giuliano Bertolli, a rich patron, said this to the master artist. And who was the master artist? Monsieur Segni l'Abbe. Next is, did the listener readily agree to the speaker's request? Why not? That means whether the listener agreed what the speaker wanted him to do. No, the listener wanted to retire. At first he didn't agree. He said that he has already retired, so he will not going to do any work for him. Next is, name the lesson and the author. That means you have to name the you have to write the name of the chapter. The chapter lesson is The Master Artist. Whenever you will write this, you should do that P, M and A, the first letter of the words of the heading, should be capital. And the author is Carol Murray. So C and M as it's a name, so you have to write it in capital letters. So this is the end of your dose of chapter 2. I have revised chapter 2 also. The chapter is very easy. So I don't think you will going to have any problem in learning the answer. So today your homework is you will learn the question answers of chapter 2 along with the word meaning. And your spelling homework is you will learn the spellings of chapter 4. Take care. Bye.